may mga guests from the Meta, dahil syempre, AFAM, hindi nila ma-cite in contempt. Pero if you're gonna look at the actuation, sabi nila, yes or no lang ang sagot, bakit evasive? Do you remember how many people that they cited in contempt? How many Filipinos they cited in contempt for exactly doing what Meta officials did earlier? Pag Pilipino, kayang-kaya nilang brasuhin, kaya-kaya nilang dikdikin. Pero pag mga puti na, hindi nila kaya. Hindi ba? Hindi nila ma-contempt, di ba? Sabi na nga nila, evasive. Alam naman natin, pag may mga evasive noon, kino-contempt nila na mas madilis pa sa 4:00. So this is really an exercise on abuse of legislative power. This is what it is all about. If you're still not got, again, magkaiba ang dilat sa mulat. No? Yeah, they cited me in contempt. So what? No? That is just part of their political persecution agenda. And ang masasabi ko lang is go ahead, go ahead with your political persecution. This is what this is all about. So go ahead. And I think you just made everything clearer. Actually, kahit naman yung pieces of evidence that I have before are already clear, but this one, I thought that they couldn't get any worse. So this one got worse. Okay. So ngayon, ayan na yan, no? Go ahead. Do whatever pleases you. Do whatever makes you feel powerful, because it is an honor to be cited in contempt by a very corrupt House of Representatives. Uulitin ko, it is an honor to be cited in contempt by a very, very corrupt House of Representatives led by a very, very corrupt House Speaker. And basahin nyo na lang yung post ko earlier. Nandun yung sulat ko sa kanila. Ilang beses ko nang pinapadala yan sa kanila? 4 times. I think 5 or 4. I can't remember. 4 or 5 times. Read the content of my letter. Read it. Discuss it with your kainuman, etc. And now, you would see what kind of House of Representatives you have. Hindi ba? Kita-kita naman kanina eh. Hindi ba? And yun lang masasabi ko, you go ahead and continue your political persecution because bilog ang mundo. And ang masasabi ko lang is, I know my international law.